Developers, this is for you. A few weeks ago, Google released their Google Antigravity IDE. It has been the talk of the development world, especially if you are a web designer, web software engineer. I've been spending some time and I want to see what it can really deliver. And let's dive in and see what it can deliver. I'm just going to take you through step by step from installation to using it. Let's go. This is the interface of Google's Antigravity. You can find the download here. You'll be welcome to a page like this. Welcome to Antigravity. Let's get you started, or let's get you set up. We go, start afresh. I don't want to import anything. Let me go with dark theme. And then it gives you a number of options here. Recommended is agent assistant development. And I'm going to go with that. We can configure our editor, but I'm just going to go on. I am going to sign in with my Google. So I'm signed in, now I'm back here. So there are some terms of use. So you are given a disclaimer here so that you don't run into issues and start blaming Google. So let's get in. This is the onboarding process, and it's installing all the necessary things that are required for this. And it's also giving me some options. You have Docker installed in your system. Do you want to install recommended Docker extension for MS Azure tools for it? What I'm going to do, I'm going to see if it's going to do anything that I want it to do. I'm going to type, let's create a tours and travel app. Let me try that and see. So I push in there. Let's see. So it has given me some few guided tips here. I'll dismiss that. I'm not going to install anything. So I've been given an implementation plan. So I'm going to see. Here is the implementation plan. So it tells me here, I've drafted a plan to build your tours and travel app using React and vanilla CSS for premium custom look. Please review the implementation plan and let me know if you have any specific design preferences or features request before I start building. All right, I'm going to say proceed. Proceed. So it's generating. Antigravity gives you a team of autonomous AI agents. You act as an architect. So you are the best architect or the chief engineer of everything that is doing. But again, you will have a number of people around you, which are the agents. All right. So the agents will do the heavy lifting, hence the name Antigravity. It lifts the weight of the routine coding off your shoulders and you will have an easy time. All right. So the key features of Google's Antigravity is the agent manager or the mission control. Context aware editor, you will be able to maneuver around just as easy as it could be. So let's proceed and see what Antigravity has already cooked here. So I'm going to accept run command. I'm going to accept to that. I can be doing other things as the agents run the development part. Accept. All right. So it's building. It's doing some magic. With the world of AI, everything is sweet and nice. So we can now open and see the code itself. You see the way it's cooking. Requesting me for permission to the terminal. So I'll do that. Picked some very pretty nice colors. All right. So with this, I can have a startup with an idea, and by tomorrow I am in production, and then I sell out that idea. So it's best when you have really tangible idea that is going to solve real world problems. And I'm going to spend hours into this so that I can see what I can build independently as a solo startup founder. All right. First have the idea, and then write down the idea, and then put down into implementation with the help of AI. You don't need to be helped in doing everything. All right. So I have all the codes here, and it's picking actually images from Unsplash. That is an open source stock images site where you can get multiple images. Let's see how wise and brave this AI is. Antigravity. It's doing the liftoff. I'm just moving around to see the changes that have been made, and then I will run and see. We shall run together and see what we've got. It's done doing the magic. So it gives a notification here. It says, I finished building the components and the home page for your tours and travel. The project is set up with Vite, React, and custom design. You can run to see the results. So let me try running it. Okay. I can even tell it to run. Let me see. Please run it. So I've done basically nothing here. My MVP tours and travel website is ready. There we have it. Ah, beautiful. What else do you need, guys? And it has given me a name that is Travel Go. I can come home. Okay, the agent is running. I'm not going to do anything, so it's back testing to see if everything works. But now I'll have to change this one. Popular destination, search, book now. I'm also going, I think the agent is done. Yes, it's done. I can test this. I can go to tours. There's nothing in there, of course. But the navigation looks awkward. Go back home. About. There's nothing in the about section. Book now and everything. So this is a ready to launch thing. It has contacts, frequent asked questions. Of course, there are some things that you can adjust later in production, but imagine I've just spent like less than 10 minutes in building this one. Of course, it's a ready to deploy app on the go. Guys, this is just amazing. The interface, the animations, it didn't finish building everything, but you can always modify later. Very cool user interface. I think I love it. I love it. Now, as you've seen, Google Antigravity isn't just faster. It's a different way of thinking, multi-directional or dynamical thinking. It moves from being writers of code to an architect of a software. And if you want to try it out, you can. I've shown you how to download it. I've shown you the login, the download page from Google's Antigravity. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more content as this. Thank you so much and peace out.